Bulavinaka everyone, my group and I will be presenting on the types of pests that affects rice. And our pest is rice leaf roller. The scientific name of this pest is Marasmia exigua. And the taxonomic tree of this pest is the domain is Eukaryota, the kingdom is Metazoa, the phylum is Arthropoda, subphylum is Uniramia, and the class is Insecta. Its order is Lepidoptera, the family is Campidae, and the genus is Marasmia.
I'll be speaking on the distribution of the rice leaf varroa pest. The distribution of the rice leaf varroa pest is in Vanuatu, Raki, and it also can be found in some Pacific islands, which includes Samoa, Solomon Islands, and PNG, and also Australia.
Hello, today I'll be discussing about the life cycle of a rice leaf roller. So for the rice leaf roller, this insect, the eggs, it starts from the eggs. So the eggs of a leaf folder are transparent. The leaf roller, it's also known as the leaf fodder. But for this kind of insect, it's a transparent and yellowish with 0.90 mm long and 0.39 mm wide, and almost flat with a single convex surface. The eggs, like when it hatches, it's 3 to 4 days. It takes 3 to 4 days to be, come out, pop out, and it lays singly in groups of 3 to 8 long, along with mid-drips of young leaves. A female lays about 135 of 175 eggs. So for the larva, after the egg, it's the larva. So the larva are yellow. They're yellow. The larva for this rice leaf roller, it's yellowish green with brown head as they mature, and are about 12 to 25 millimeter long. And immediately after hatching, the nonate larva move to the unopened leaf at the center of the plant and feed generously to the scraping of a green mature. So from the second instance cowards, the larva folds the leaves by stitching with the second threads, keeping open both the ends of the fold. So when the larva is feeding by the scraping the green matter, it stays with the green fold results in the development of a longitudinal streak.
Continuations from my related slides regards on the life cycles of the rice leaf roller, which is a pupa stage, is typically light brown to bright brown, and it turns reddish brown just before the adult emerges. These pupas align at the sides with white silken webbing in a leaf folded as soon as after stitching completes. Pupa mostly occur at the base of the plant in a single leaf. Moving on to the adult stage, when the rice leaf roller turns into a moth, it shows a golden yellow in color with brown margins on both wings. Adults usually emerge in the evening, and matings occur at night.
As we already discussed in class, that we will always be looking at the negative impacts of the damage of the pest. So today I will be discussing about the damage of the rice leaf roller on the rice field. There are 100 insect species which are associated with rice crop of one stage or the other stage, and there are 20 of these that are pests of major economic significance, and they are classified as defoliator pest. The rice leaf roller falls under the defoliator pest. So this is how it looks when the larvae live inside the leaf by scraping green matter, and the infested leaves appear white and leaf folded filled with excreta. Each larva damages several leaves, which prevents the photosynthetic activity of the plants.
I'll be discussing on how to manage the pest or the management, and I'll be elaborating on the cultural control. Before planting, remove buds as many other hosts of the larvae and increase plant spacing. During growth, do not over-apply fertilizers, only apply recommended doses at the suggested time. Using low rates of nitrogen fertilizer may reduce populations of the moth. And after harvest, avoid returning the crop as the larvae carry over to the new tillers as they emerged.
In addition to cultural control, we have chemical control. In chemical control, we can use biorational insecticides such as neem seed oil. Neem seed oil is a naturally occurring pesticide found in seeds from the neem tree. And in Fiji, we recommend the use of carbamate insecticides. Carbamate is used as spray or baits to kill insects by affecting the brain and the nervous system. So in the folded parts of the leaves, we can open it up with the help of twigs and to make the application of the insecticide more effective.